Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a new and easy way to blur a video background in just a few simple steps. This is a popular topic on my channel, so I'm sharing an even simpler method that I know you'll find useful. The steps and tools are the same, so you can also use this method in the CapCut desktop version. First, open CapCut, tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit. Then add it to the timeline to begin editing. Before editing, my video looks like this. To keep the focus on the person and make the video look even better, I want to blur the background. Now let me show you how to do it. Tap on the video, then go to the Effects tab and select Video Effects. Here in the Lens tab, select Galaxy Blur Effect. Tap on it and then you can adjust it to your liking. By adjusting the range, we can choose whether we want the blur to affect the background or the subject. The intensity controls how visible the blur is. You can also adjust the glow and color sliders to make the video look even better. Once you've adjusted all the settings, save your changes and go back to the timeline. After editing, your video should look like this. Now that you've learned how to blur the background, you can't miss my How to Fix Blurry Videos in CapCut or 10 insane CapCut hacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any questions in the comments. See you in the next video.